swing with the post and back.
And don't die.
And don't die.
What if I do die? You go out of my memory?
I'll go after you.
Here we go. It's cool because now that I'm recording this like as a video, I can just pull out of it with the camera. Now it's just a video. It's so cool.
My party stayed in here last night. They went to a different room. I'm taking over. This is the boys. So what you do is you take this, right? Help.
Somehow I managed to lose some of the clips from this point forward, but all you really need to know is that I'm at a super cool wedding for Reese's dad.
Burrito, take this burrito.
Sushi, dog. Sushi. You know I'm eating that up.
I've never had sushi before.
You haven't?
Nope.
Want to try it?
I mean...
Bethany is the best thing to have happened to Mike, with possibly the exception of his two great sons. In the name of the Lord Jesus Christ and the power vested in me in the state of Florida.
I'm ready. No way. You are full of crap.
I went to Italy on the first leg.
Do I eat the whole thing?
Yeah. Eat the whole thing, otherwise it's gonna fall apart.
Huh?
Yep. You don't like it?
It gets better.
It does get better. Huh? My wife doesn't. Oh, thank you.
Everybody, big hug, circle him, big hug. Thank you, thank you. Big kiss, guys, big kiss. Big hug, hands up.
How would you rate the party?
10 out of 10.
Oh, that's
We'll
good.
do it again.
Oh, good. Want to do it again?
Let's do it again.
Want to get married right now?
Here, wait.
Oh, thanks. What is this?
You've been sent off.
That's a box of carrots that the kitchen uses to make our food. I'm not necessarily saying that we took a few carrots, but... Don't tell them. Is that a carrot in your pocket?
Yeah, it is.
That actually hurt.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Give me a carrot.
We just ate the carrot, guys.
Welcome to Noogie Town. Population, you.
Put step on the flowers.
Happy to do down to the pool. Okay.
Look, you know.
You come in the water, you can push me over.
What?
You come in the water, you can push me over.
Where?
Push me into the water. Reese, I'm gonna count to 3. Okay. If you're not up by the time I say 3, it means big trouble.
He's drowning.
Oh shit.
Drowning?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Alec, need help?
Swim to that shipping container over there. Shipping ship.
Shipping ship?
What if I swim to that post over there in the water?
Then I'll go out.
If I swim to the post?
You swim to the post and back.
And don't die.
And don't die.
What if I do die? You go out my memory?
I'll go after you.
Here we go. Okay, so if you didn't get that, I was trying to get Reese to go out in the water, and what we'd agreed on was that I would swim to that post, and then he would come in.
Yeah, what do you think is gonna happen?
I think he's gonna make it. Yeah, 1/3 or half the way there. He's just gonna sit there.
And drown? He's gonna get hit by a boat.
Tell him you didn't record it.
Okay. Go get him, Reese. He's coming back.
Still going? He's coming back.
He's going backwards. He has no breath.
Secured package.
This conversation went a little something like this. Hey, how come you didn't make it all the way? I got tired. I was pretty much there. Well, now I'm going to one-up you. Oh crap, please don't. Hee XD. And then Reese decided to swim all the way out to that pole. Caden then put my camera down and it automatically stopped recording moments later. So I have recreated the next events for you. 1. Reese gets to the pole. 2. I, powered by my pride and the promise of ice cream from Caden later, started swimming to the pole. 3. I reached the pole, but am then viciously killed by a shark. 4. Just kidding, I survived. 5. I returned to my friends on the beach a war hero, surrounded by about millions of both gay men and straight women.
Goodbye.
You talk to him?
Yeah, I ordered you a strawberry.
Okay, we gotta order 2 more for Caden and Alex.
I don't think so.
Reese, you just downed like 80 of my mini M&Ms.
Hey! I saw you out there paddling.
You got all of my mini M&Ms.
Awesome.
You're a bad person, Reese Gavitt. I don't know, man. They haven't come yet.
Huh?
No.
Yeah, it's ordered for a long time.
Yeah, I ordered them. They're just not here yet. I feel. Oh, thank you.
Man, daiquiri, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Strawberry daiquiri, virgin.
Thank you.
Wait.
French fries.